In this video, we'll show you how to assemble and operate your Greenworks blower sweeper. We have featured one of our 9-amp corded models. However, this guide can be followed for all Greenworks blower sweepers. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with the packing material and any loose, unassembled parts. Carefully lift the blower components out of the box and set it down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have used the product. Attaching the blower tube. Slide the blower tube forward until the notched area on the blower housing locks into the slot on the tube. Securing the extension cord. On the back of the blower is a cord retaining system to prevent accidental removal of the extension cord while in use. Fold the extension cord and hook it onto the retainer at the back of the blower. Plug the extension cord into the receptacle at the back of the unit. Starting and stopping the blower. To start the blower, push the power switch forward into the first position. The blower has 2 speed settings. To increase the speed, push the switch into the second position. To stop the blower, move the power switch in the off position. To keep from scattering debris, blow around the outer edges of a debris pile. Never blow directly into the center of a pile. Use rakes and brooms to loosen debris before blowing. In dusty conditions, dampen surfaces before operating. After use, disconnect the power source. To clean the machine, wipe it down with a cloth. Do not use aggressive detergents or solvents to clean the unit. Ensure that the air vents are clear of debris. Examine the machine for damage, missing, or loose parts such as screws, nuts, bolts, and knobs. Be sure to replace and/or tighten all necessary parts prior to your next use. When not in use, the blower should be stored indoors in a dry, locked location out of the reach of children. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your blower, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks blower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.